Hello and welcome to the Opal shop. Here we've got another specimen. Again, we've got a lot of specimens going on here. Trying to provide a lot of practice material as well as, proper Opal products. But those ones at the moment are low grade boulders from unknown field. They're large, as you can see. The rule is in millimeters, as you can probably notice up here. And I scrubbed as best as I could this piece. There's still a little bit of mud is, going on here, but I got the most of it out and got to expose the bits of opal that are in there, and they're really nicely ingrained into this rock. But you can see, so it gives you a bit of an idea that under all this pile there are quite lovely pieces. Sorry, apologies, I'm trying to get them as close to the camera so I can show some really nice vibrant colors in them, and they really quite hidden in this, but gives you an idea. See, as they indented in, and you can see that it continues here. It's just covered by a bit of rock, this bit of rock, and it continues in here, and then it breaks through here. And I'm assuming this is all a single piece, which means that there are more lovely surprises on this. And the water got absorbed very quickly by this clay piece. I think it's clay, it's just the mud and the rock. This is it. Hopefully it's a good practice piece, and hope you enjoy the video. Have a lovely one.